wan shanga pibaro kibashitong bat ibakia junken.
All India Arm Wrestling Championship kalakut dak jingsam Buskit nakikti jong Myntri Rangbah konrad kesangma ha hol susutham ha ka arpoi terik nopra. Udipankar mek na Assam ulara ekanam Rangkansai ki Rangkansai Champion of Champions katba ka Samla Yogesh Chaudhary na Haryana kalara ekanam Theikansai ki Theikansai Champion of Champions.
So you're seeing one by one we are here there to promote our youth, because we strongly feel that sports is an area which should be promoted, and I'm very happy to see that arm wrestling is also now on the map, and I hope that in the future also we will see these programs continuing in our state. On a lighter note, let me also share with you that there was a time when I was in St. Edmund's School in class 6 and 7 and 8. And we used to do arm wrestling all the time. And, we used to always compete. And it was kind of a cultural thing that happened in the schools. And I'm sure most of our Shillong students, whether girls or boys, I'm sure that you have experienced and gone through that phase. To the extent, let me share this with you. And this, again, is not trying to bring down anybody. To the extent that I remember that after I started practicing arm wrestling here, of course in a very amateur way, and I was always beaten by everybody else, to be frank. I never could make it. But then I went to Delhi after that, and in class 10 I was in Delhi, and you won't believe it. So when I reached Delhi, I beat everybody in school in Delhi. So again, this is not about Northeast versus North India. Or Central India, but I'm just telling you the experience that I had. It's true. Let's be, that our children and our people have a certain strength. We have a certain advantage in certain ways. And I feel that arm wrestling could be one area where our youngsters can really shine. And therefore, when this proposal came from Junstar, who's a very, very close friend of mine, we have always supported him in different programs he had. We've supported our players when they went to World Championship. We had supported them that time also. Even in this program, about 33 lakhs we have given from the sports department and from the Chief Minister's Fund. And continuously we are supporting all kind of sports programs. So I'm very happy that this program is going well.
The winner of the Shillong Arm Fight 2023 is Yogesh Chaudhary of Haryana. First elbow foul to Dipankar Mek.
Three, two, one, go!
The referees are setting the referee's grip. Oh, and a slip out occur, leading to a strap match.
And gold medalist for women's and gold medal for men 75 kg goes to Dipankar Mek.